Welcome to DJ TV.
Wike will be the new minister of FCT. Don't change and follow media houses. So
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now to DJ TV on our WhatsApp channel. Where the summer on with ogbonge updates, breaking news, updated updates. So I beg my people, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now, make una go subscribe, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified. Our Facebook page, my people, make una follow us and make una dey like. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the story and update we will carry come for una like this.
yes, so my people, not be smart in the shell for inside the ministerial lifestyle. The new minister of FCT, yes, so Wike, he don't change and follow all media houses. So he talk say all these journalists them, say they go they release news and matter when things wey person not talk, especially for a young case. He talk say some things wey not talk, report wey not give, statement wey not make, they go dey say na him make am. He can't even use one popular station to make example, AIT. He talk say AIT talk say he talk say they don't make a minister of FCT. Say he talk say he go build Abuja within 6 days. He say not talk like that to say AIT, then talk that one, say na wrong news. So say not talk anything related to that kind of thing. Though my people, he say henceforth any media house or any journalist wey carry matter wey be saying not talk, he say he go change and follow all of them woto. My people, I go leave una now make una watch this video because he talk so many things for inside. Though make una watch and hear what he talk, and make una not forget to like and share. Make una watch.
Therefore, it is important for us to report correctly what somebody has said. Some of you carry, what do we call, relationship that may not be too good. That may not be too good with some of us to your official assignment. I watched AIT yesterday. I was so surprised that the AIT could report that I said I will fix Abuja in 6 days' time. I've never seen such criminal reporting. How could anybody say I said I will fix Abuja in 6 days' time? All I said to the directors who are responsible, that you have 6 days to let me have what it will take to implement or execute these short-term deliveries. That's what I said. I never said Abuja will be fixed in 6 days' time. And that's what a media house will go and carry. 2, Punch reported that I said it would demolish 6,000 houses. I never one day said the number of houses that will be demolished. All I said, if the illegal structures or those who are distorting the master plan, that we have no call but to say, look, the right thing must be done. So please, it is important when you are reporting, report what we have said. Don't report what you think. So it's embarrassing, but I felt I should bring this out to let you know. You're also part of our problems of wrong communication to the public. I'm not worried. Yes, I have taken some decision to challenge some of the media houses to the court. If that is why you want to report what is not right, it's their business. That will not stop me from taking any legal action I believe I should take. I have to say clearly and let anybody know. But it's your conscience. What you are reporting, is it what he said? Not what you think. Because what you think may not be the right thing. So if I said yes, say I said yes. If I said no, say I said no. So I felt I should use opportunity to correct that impression. And no amount of wrong reporting will change our view or our mind or the decision we have taken to see how we can bring sanity to this city. Now, straight to the point why we came here. When me and the Minister of State assumed office, like she said, we said, look, there are short-term deliverables, there are medium time and long time. And we said, look, transport is one of those things we can do in order to reduce the level of traffic within the city. And we know that we have this metro station here, and it's not working. Why is it not working? Can we fix it within the short time so that we'll be able, people will say, okay, yes, this is not working. If we want to go to start, because you are still, the man who described it said, look, we have 1B. You have even in 1A, it's still been about 5 kilometers. We have done 3. They still have lot 4, lot 5. People can only have confidence if the one you have finished and you have put it in use. People cannot say, oh yes, it's working. Not to go and embark on another one when this one is not working. So our own position is that whatever it is, the company that it has been awarded, we should sit down to say, for how long do you think you can complete this? And then ask ourselves, do we have the resources to make sure that we don't come back to explain to members of the public, this is why it was not finished. The Prophet, as I came in, I told you, you talk about vandalization. Why would the place not be vandalized? I was just asking you. You are doing fencing. The fencing is not completed. So it is easy for people to come in from there. And these are the things I spotted as I came in. I worked with her. How can you allow this perimeter fencing not to be?
Yes, so my people, now the updates wey we carry come from now like this be this. So now hear wetin Wike talk o. He dey talk say make dem no use the name take dey talk wetin he no talk o. Warning to media houses and journalists dem. Anyway, people una reason this whole matter na see am, make una drop una comment o, and make una no forget to like and share.
DJ